Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Fans onto TV, it's the Petway Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Super Sport 0. I'm joined by fan, my brother Libitso Kimangozoka.
It's a Pang Sanza from Mamelodi.
Hey, King, you know,
Revula Diden.
Gepe ya vaya. Yebo, na ivaile wena ya vaya. Ya vaya PSL ivaile gone. Bona ravaya. Yasaya Stivo ile gone. Asiona imopitori. Ichayile meta. Ichayile Stivo gone.
Ubashapa bukayi Saturday.
Abona, folk yabona bafile. Ifar, abona, say 40 keni ka ufela.
Abashapa kampama.
Abona, ribabiela efela. Efela rubasa basale libitsonyana yebo. Sa bakhawata ba felela yebo.
Diamonds wa tseba ne ba re dilengeng.
Ba re keng?
Ne ba re ke fake daddy.
Ai.
It's an insult. Doesn't have one goal. It's an insult. How can you say that it's a fake derby? Well, doesn't have one goal.
So it's a derby.
So the derby is one goal, and then it's controversial.
Yeah.
The goal is controversial.
Yeah.
The FIFA is interfering. Yeah. Okay, no go sharp.
Yeah. Whoa.
Okay.
That means about to fake daddy.
Fake one, man. Alright. Okay, Briscoe Mamelodi Sundowns, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, I go wasn't one.
Hey.
This is the original Chani Dabi Yamupitori.
Hey.
Akira Taiso Eto.
Yeah.
Was the rebellion of the Bon, Marabi, Van Mamelodi, Gandhi, Bon Hamitown, Bon Apeli, Bon Oliver, Tobian,
Exactly.
Then when Nike decided to Bechulla, Chiefs. If I share a shit, Nike alone one Colimpo. What does it mean? Because of Nike, they can't even share a shit alone.
Over Chiefs.
Yeah, over Chiefs. So why Chiefs? Chiefs, yes.
Chiefs were too expensive.
Three items, 5,000. 3 items, 5,000. No, but that one is 3 items.
He's saying Nike. It was the case that Chiefs
Kaizer Chiefs, it's only HIV positive car. Nearly dangerous. It's today dangerous. You are losing.
Kaizer Chiefs, it's only How can we compliment a team that is failing? This team is failing. This man. Thank you very much.